Hi, viewer, in today's video we are visiting the Tata Santorini by TATA Value Homes. It's a residential property located in Poonamallee, Chennai. This is the grand entrance to the project. This project provides an opportunity to own a home with a Spanish-inspired design. Now let's have a look at the 2.5 BHK model house. This is our bedroom. And this bedroom comes with an attached bathroom to it. This is our hallway with a large balcony from which you can enjoy the view. This is our modular kitchen. And this is our second bedroom. This bedroom also comes with an attached bathroom to it. Furthermore, they provided us with space to store our washing machine in a utility room. If you're interested in buying the flat, please contact the given number. The project is thoughtfully designed and focused on greenery, spread over an area of 18 acres with a lush green landscape. This property is set in an ideal location and has great connectivity to other major destinations in the city. Now, let us take in the view of the Podium Garden from the third floor balcony. The project is well structured and engineered. You can see the exterior of the towers in the Podium Garden from here. The garden is big enough to relax in and get some fresh air. If you're interested in buying the flat, please contact the given number.